I'm curious about noise pollution. It's based on hearing the word that I've been telling you about for the past couple of weeks. I still can't get used to hearing that word. I still can't get used to the term itself, noise pollution, because it sounds almost scientific. It sounds almost abnormal because I'm not used to hearing that term. It still feels strange just for it to roll off my tongue. Noise, yeah, but pollution. Every time I hear the word pollution, it just makes me think about trash. I can't help but think about trash. Or in one of my podcast episodes, I mentioned that when I hear the word pollution, I think about trash on the streets, and also I think about I saw videos of baby ducks and the seals that were washed ashore from the ocean. They were covered in oil that had been spilled from the oil tankers in the ocean. So when I think about pollution, I think about things like that. I never really thought much about pollution as it pertains to my ears or what I'm hearing, and especially the way that it makes me feel. Because so many times, for so many years, for most of my life, I've been surrounded by loud noises, and I just usually dismiss them for the environment. If I'm mowing my lawn, now I wear ear protection. I've been wearing ear protection for a good number of years. But just growing up around lawnmowers and leaf blowers and things of that nature, I never thought about it much. It was just part of the environment.